survival borrowing becomes dangerous because when debt is no longer solving emergencies and starts funding your lifestyle maintenance. So, for example, those people who are borrowing for medicine, for their tuition or temporary employment, that's still pretty good pa rin. But it's different from borrowing to preserve appearances.
Yes.
Like for example, you
Travel,
loan because
mga-
yes, travel, and your probably your expensive coffee in the morning, or probably your just to make sure that you keep up with your kapitbahay, with
Is
your
that a
neighbors,
problem right now, David? Keeping up social media status in spite of what's happening right now?
Well, definitely it's gonna be ruining your credit, or it will also ruin your budget. Because supposedly, due to envy, comparison, that's a thief of joy,
Yeah.
di ba? So, and you don't want debt to become generational, ika nga.
Yeah.